What's the word, YouTube? Back with another video. Back to another episode of what the fuck going on with my damn Jeep. I'm always doing something with this damn car. But it ain't nothing crazy. I just had to replace the control arms and stuff. But now it's an idler pulley. So I got it right here next to me. I'm on my way home around the corner. I had to go to AutoZone to get the part. But and I lost my damn wheel lock.
Dumbass motherfucker.
Shit, so it is what it is. But I'm gonna probably pick y'all back up when I get everything set up and get back to the car. Get back to the house. Alright, here we go. Back at the crib. Yeah, the 300 still down. But I'm gonna have to give y'all a little backstory on why it's still down. It's a long story, but back at the house, and I had to switch to the GoPro now because it's finally charged up. But what they mean by one hand, struggling. But this is what we're replacing, y'all. Right there. I don't even know if I can put the camera in there, but you can see that it's a lot of, shouldn't be like that. And doing a whole lot of squeaking too, so I'm gonna go ahead and change that out. Go ahead and part really quick. Bust this open. Belt tensioner. The bearings went out in it, so we're gonna be replacing it because it do a high-pitched squeak whenever I start the car. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a little clip of that. I'll be back.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Yeah, so that's why we're replacing that, because it's doing that high pitch squeaking. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that. And we're gonna get started. So what you're gonna need is a socket, 15mm deep socket. You got keys. Get y'all set up real quick. Excuse that plane. Airport not too far from here. Go ahead. Should be decent. What you want to do, basically take this tension off this pulley, go up with it like that, slide the bed off. So you don't want to slide it out too much, and make sure you take a picture of this too, so you know how you need to put it back on. So do that, take the tension off that, and I believe this is 15mm too. Nah, small, 14. Be right back. Yep. Back. So got a 13 deep socket. I'll start cracking it loose. Ooh. So hard. Matter of fact, get some knocker loose. See the dust coming out, but like I said, it's 2005. You don't want to strip that, so we're gonna go ahead and hit it with some knocker loose. Be on the safe side. Let that marinate a little. All right, got the knocker loose on now. Hey, what's going on, man?
All right, bro.
Oh man, I thought it was gonna be late. Shit. Appreciate you, man.
Have a good one.
You too, man. Take care, bro. Yep. Aqua H just came. Shout out to UPS. Real cool as hell. I ain't try to break it loose. And look, I saw the dust kick off when I did it. So. Oh shit. Probably gonna need a breaker bar. I might say breaker bar, but need a extension so you can try to get some leverage. Oh shit. Ooh. Fuck! Man, that was on that, boy. I need Hercules himself to come help me get this shit off. Oh, trap. Oh, gang, I'm losing cooling out this month. Hold on. I just knocked my damn hose off, gang. I just started seeing coolant come out. Hold on. I just lost a whole bunch of coolant, y'all. Just because I knocked this out. I'm like, hold on, I got a leak. I just lost so much coolant. Fuck it, y'all. Still trying to fight with this. See, that's how hard it's fight me right now, so.
Probably why I was finding me to get off. I'm gonna put some knock-a-loose on there. That should be able to break it some, but.
Man, I say that shit on there, y'all. I'm not exaggerating. This is no cap. Can't make this up how to tight this shit on here. That's why I don't knock this little hose off. I'm trying to get the right amount of leverage. You just gotta get the right amount of leverage so you can break it. Not break it, but break it loose. It's all about leverage right now, which I don't got. Hold on. It's not a hard job. Just trying to get that damn bolt off. And I can't get it off. Wait a minute. Get that breaker bar.
One eternity later.
Everything back together. Struggling a little bit, but GoPro finna die. We're going ahead and start up, see how she sound. All back. Gotta top my coolant off and stuff, but I don't hear it anymore. We'll rev it just to see.
Nice.
Nope, that's it. That's how y'all change your belt tensioner on your 2005 G Grand Cherokee.
You know what I'm saying? Simple as that.
GoPro down. Making sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, make sure you stay updated with the videos. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
Eventually.
Don't test me. Acting quiet. Yeah. Right of the mouth. Just wanted to give y'all a little POV. And another thing, I forgot to go get my new belt. I got a belt that's under warranty, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it out because that bad tensioner basically just ate the belt a little bit. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get another one since it's under warranty. But just wanted to get y'all a little POV on how it sound. You don't hear no squeaking, high-pitched squeaking anymore, even when I drive it and let the RPMs build. Usually when the RPMs get a little high, you start to hear a little squeaking. I got the seatbelt. Damn, my bad, y'all. But sounds smooth again. But you don't hear no high squeaking noises when the RPMs is high. Smooth. But I'm gonna pick y'all up when I get to AutoZone and try to get this new belt.
You understand, not flat on the in here, right what's next to you, right?
Half five, but now look at that. How bad the tension was. This part smooth. This part not. That. Just eating this belt up. So I already changed this belt, but it was under warranty. So shout out to AutoZone, shout out to the manager, he cool ass dude. Got me a new belt. I got it off right from the AutoZone. So I'm gonna snap my fingers, man, because I can't do this with one hand. I'm gonna snap my fingers when I get the belt on. Looks like that is on there. New belt. New belt, new tensioner, no more squeaking noise. Actuate, I know. But now, that's gonna be the end of this video, y'all. Just wanted to show y'all the little process on how it is to take the belt off, get to the tensioner and replace the tensioner so it don't snap off on y'all. So that's gonna be it for me. And y'all just stay tuned. At 300 gonna be back before you know it. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you stay updated with the videos. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.